minutes po, Chef Glenda. Last po before ko i-plate yung take po ng sauce.
Yan na.
Oo.
Sila how many minutes?
30.
Ay, layo pa.
Oo nga po, ma'am eh.
Chef Pro Beef, last 5 minutes po, pa-check na lang po. I just covered it para kasi yung sa ibabaw po, hindi luto.
Let it rest, huh? Okay? You can choose. You want half a pepper? You have two choices. You can put half this one, one.
Yan po.
The other one, half. Palamigin mo na siya kung didikit siya, okay?
Okay po.
Pero last po na taste, ma'am. Last po na taste.
So,
medyo natamisan po ako ng konti.
lutuin mo na lang yung ano.
Luto na po yung kangkong.
Okay.
Okay po siya. Medyo matamis po na, hindi na.
It was a little sour. And you can counteract that by adding sugar.
Yung last check is, yung ano, yung pag-taste niya ng pork is medyo malambot na.
Parang kulang ang ano mo. Peppercorn. Nasaan na yung peppercorn?
Ito po, ma'am.
Okay.
Huwag na po natin isali yung mga...
Okay lang.
Konti lang po na
Ang
ito.
hindi mo isali yung peppercorn. Pero pag hindi mo ma-avoid, okay lang.
Sige po.
Plating mo last 10 minutes.
10 minutes po, ma'am. Sige po.
Okay. Good luck.
Yes, ma'am. Salamat po.
This one siguro half. Ito ganda, o ba? So actually, you can cook na one.
Buo na lang po. Opo.
Forget about that.
Pero pwede ko na lang lagyan ng half para...
Hindi, baka parang hindi maganda. What do you think?
Tuwang-tuwa siya na nakikita niya ako na talagang tama daw lahat nung ginagawa ko. Tapos, syempre kahit naninervyos ka, kahit kinakabahan ka, yung maririnig mo yun mula sa may-ari nung signature dish na ginagawa mo, parang kahit papano nakakawala ng kaba.
You got it.
Okay po, Chef. Okay lang po siya nakahiga.
Okay.
Last 30 minutes na yon na sabi niya okay na lahat. O slice mo na, i-chop mo na, chinek niya lahat. So okay na, chinek niya yung kanin ko, perfectly cooked, sabi niya sa akin.
Galing.
Waiting, oh.
Stig doon.
Nung na-plate ko na, tuwang-tuwa talaga siya doon sa naging resulta. Kasi sabi niya nga, mas maganda talaga yung ginawa ko kaysa doon sa ginawa niya.
Oh my God. So makapal.
Hi, Just.
The love.
Very good.
And this is the...
Yes, very good.
Just the sauce. Just the sauce.
All right, just the sauce. This is this,
Yes.
Yung lobster mukhang natagalan nga din sa oven. Medyo na-toast ng konti yung shells niya. Pero nung tinusok ko naman siya nung lemongrass, hindi naman siya matigas. So, hindi ko alam kung overcook yun or rubbery na siya.
Minute. 2 shots. What? Okay, ready na to, ha? Kaya, yeah. Kunin mo na. Kunin mo yung beef. Kunin mo yung beef, Chef. Yes. Now, this one is ready, the sauce.
Doon ako medyo nahirapan. Kaya during yung pagluluto ko ng sauces, doon ako kumukuha ng help kay Chef Boy.
Very good. Okay. Then ping afterwards, ha? Here? Yeah. Kunting sauce pa sa gilid. Just don't forget the garnish. And also this one, the lemon butter sauce.
Okay, Chef.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Chef.
With 10 minutes to go, si TJ nag-plating na, gaya ng payo sa kanya ni Chef Glenda.
Okay, cooks, time's up. Hands up, now. Okay, can I see your dishes? Kamusta naman?
Okay naman po, ma'am.
For now, tatawagin ko muna ang ating mga top chefs for, syempre, their final word for you. At saka, kayo na din. Ito yung chance na pwede nyo silang pasalamatan. Welcome back, top chefs.
Hello! Wow! Congratulations to all of you. I think, makakain.
So far, top chefs, what do you think about the dishes?
They were good, huh? They were able to follow. I think they were even better than us.
Happy po ba kayo sa presentation?
And that flavor. Taste is important.
Chef Joey, what do you think?
When I was checking a while ago, I already told Ara na mas masarap pa kaysa dun sa ginawa ko kanina. So,
Thank you.
Okay, but remember, they also have to duplicate the dish as well as possible. Hindi pala masarap. Chef Robbie, how about you?
she was working like she had a camera, she had a phone attached to her ear, and it was so synchronized. Everything was
Nandun ka lang sa utak niya.
yeah, I was there. Now I can predict whatever she was gonna do, and she did it well. And she really, in fact, I served this in the restaurant.
Wow. How about you, Chef Boy? Ano masasabi niyo?
Wala na masabi. Well, I really impressed po. No? Maganda yung ginawa niya. I thought nga, akala ko maiiba. So, presentation-wise, okay naman. The sauces, tinikman ko din naman. So, maganda. In general, no? Pwede na.
Okay, very good. So, cooks, congratulations to you all for now. Kasi alam niyo naman ang susunod dito. May judging pa tayo. Is everyone ready? Okay, let's go.
Nung tinitikman na nila yung dish, lalong nadagdagan yung kaba ko kasi hindi mo alam kung nagustuhan nila o hindi kasi blanco talaga yung reaction nila.
Ngayong gabi.
Ano ang tungkol sa